Hey, let me show you how you can use Find My Device feature on your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So first of all, you have to go to the settings. Now you have to scroll down and move into the Google. When you open it, you will actually find all of your Google accounts, and you have to actually get set up this account that you will actually use for some recovery, for finding your device, I mean. So I'm using only one account, and it's actually this one. So I have to just remember the password and the mail, because when you lost this phone, you will have to actually log in into the same mail to find my Google website to actually locate your smartphone. So now, when you are with this account, go to the all services and now scroll down and move into the Find My Device. And now from this, just be sure that you enable this switcher. And now, if you lost your phone, you cannot find it, you can go simply into this option, Find My Device. Of course, you can do this on your PC, on the second smartphone. So it will look like this, that you will open the Google Chrome, you will open this search and input Find My Device. I'm using the web, so I'm gonna get to the desktop side, there we go, and open the first page, the Find My Device. Sorry for this. And click here, and now you have to actually sign in with your account. So in my case, I'm already logged in, but if you are not, just click to add another account, and from this you will have to actually input your account, so email and after this password. And of course I'm gonna get this one. Let me just input the password. There we go. Now we have to click to sign in, and I'm going to show you how you can locate your device. As you can see from this, we can find our device with the IMEI number, with the current name, and when you click here, we have to just go back. Okay, I know what is the issue. I wouldn't recommend you to get this application on your phone because it's actually terrible. So if you have the Find My Device application, just get rid of it. There we go. And now just go back and repeat this step. Now it will actually open in the web browser. It's much better than the application. So now, as you can see from this, we have to actually go into the I'm not sure what is going on here. Just get me into the Find My Phone application. There we go. So from this, you have to just click on the Galaxy A35 5G, and now you have to simply locate your phone by looking on this minimap, by clicking to play sound. There we go. From this, we've got also this settings, so we can actually locate the registration, the IMEI number, and from this you can also secure this device. So simply you can lock it with the PIN, pattern, or password. You will be signed out of your Google accounts, and after the device is secured, you can still locate it. And now we can also perform the factory reset if there's like no way that you will find it. So yeah, that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.